Hi, Sam.
So what are we gonna do today?
We have to film iCarly.
Well then, let's go do it.
Let's go. In 5, 4, 3, 2. I'm Carly.
And I'm Sam.
And this is iCarly. Random sing.
Woo! I forgot. I don't know. Oh wait, I have email. Hold on. Okay. Woo!
Woo. And tonight on iCarly, we are going to be doing the cowboy and the idiot farm girl who thought the cowboy's mustache was a squirrel.
So,
Gucci goo.
what are you doing?
I'm tickling your squirrel.
How many times do I have to tell you that's a mustache?
What? No.
Oh my god, I'm gonna kill you.
Ah! And scene. Okay, that's it for iCarly. Bye.
Bye guys. It's fun filming iCarly.
Yeah, it was really fun tonight.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, guys, my loaf of bread is shit out. Okay, how do you start that on fire? How? Hey, guys.
What's up, Freddy Door? Also, it's Stinson here. I'm leaving. Spencer always does this. I should really take Carly here sometimes. I'm just gonna sit and
What's up,
Hey,
Puckett?
Hey dude, can you shut up over there?
What's up, Puckett?
What?
What's up, Puckett?
Punch you in your face.
Try me. Ha ha.
I punched. How do you like that?
Oh.
Ow.
That's what you get, Puckett.
Hey, guess what?
What, Puckett? What are you gonna do? Film iCarly?
I can in your face.
What are you gonna do? Call Carly and tell her to come over?
You know what? I'm gonna kick you right in your chin.
Oh!
How you like that?
Oh, I'm gonna kill you, Puckett!
You'll never catch me.
Yes, I will! Oh!
Haha, loser, you ran right into the door.
I hate you, Sam Puckett!
Ha 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 ha. You'll never catch me. Ew, you are disgusting.
No. Huh? Hey, Sam Puckett! Now where's my Freddy Boo?
Hey, how about you can you come here?
It's Mrs. Benson, and I want Freddy. You better tell me where he is.
Punch you in your face. How you like that?
Now, is he cool with Carly?
I don't really care.
Just go back. Just go home, you idiot.
Don't have to listen to you.
I'm calling Freddy.
He ain't gonna do anything.
You win, Sam Puckett, but I'm gonna get you next time.
No, you won't.
Just go home. Carly needs you.
Whatever. Okay. Hi.
Why did you hurt my mother?
I didn't do anything.
My mom just called.
Huh?
My mom just called me.
I didn't do anything. It wasn't me.
Sam, Puckett, don't lie, Pucketito.
I ain't lying. It means your mom's about.
I don't want to be involved in this, so I'm gonna go.
Okay.
I can't believe that you did that, Sam.
What?
I can't believe that you actually hurt my mother.
They screamed in my face.
Well, I hate you, Samantha Puckett.
Well, guess what?
What?
I hate you too. Goodbye. Oh, and by the way, Freddy's weird.
I am not weird, Sam Puckett. You are weird.
You're weird. You made a butter statue and then it melted in my.
That was Spencer.
I don't care.
Hey, Freddy, what happened? Sam and I got into a fight. Well, what happened? We started yelling, and then I know she hurt my mother. Okay, but you should probably apologize to her. I don't want to apologize to her. Freddy, you should. Fine. Next time I see her, I'll apologize to her.
What do you want, Freddy jerk?
To talk to you. Carly said I should apologize to you.
Well, go ahead. Give me a apology.
Fine. I'm sorry, Sam.
Thank you for the apology. Goodbye.
Hey, Sam.
Why did you have Freddy come and apologize to me?
Cause you guys have spent like your whole life hating each other. And you guys have always like I'm always involved in it, and I'm kind of getting annoyed.
Well,
why are you so rude to Freddy?
Because I don't pay him.
Well,
So I'm gonna go.
okay. Well, at least Freddy apologized to her.
I'm gonna punch a hole in Freddy's door. And boom.
What the yuck?
Uh-oh.
Who punched a hole in my door? Sam? Why did Mrs. Benson just scream?
I don't know.
Okay. Sam Puckett!
Yes.
Why did you punch a hole in my door?
I didn't do that.
I saw you right in front of my eyes. Sam?
Well, I didn't do it.
Sam?
So, what?
What'd you do?
Nothing.
Sam, tell me the truth.
I'm gonna go to the studio.
Okay. Okay, Sam's been acting really weird lately. I gotta get to the bottom of it. What the heck is your deal?
Where are you? Where are you?
I'm coming, Sam. What the heck is your deal?
Nothing.
Just tell me the truth, Sam. I won't get angry.
I don't have to tell you anything.
Sam?
Like I said, I don't have to tell you anything.
What?
You're not the police.
Sam, this is my house.
I don't have to tell you anything.
Tell me right now.
No.
Sam?
What?
Tell me.
Never.
Okay. This is getting on my second nerve. Tell me. Tell me, Sam. The elevator is still going down to the lobby. It'll take a little bit.
I don't care. Goodbye.
Sam,
No.
tell me or we're not friends anymore. Would you tell me?
Never.
Tell me or we're not friends anymore.
No.
Okay, fine. Get out of my house.
Come here.
What?
Wait in this chair. I'll be right back.
Oh, Sam, I know what you're doing to me.
I ain't doing anything.
Get out of my house. And you're like, get out of my house.
Wow, you're really serious about us not being friends anymore.
Yes, you're not telling me the truth.
The elevator, bro. You don't want to be friends?
Goodbye, Sam Puckett.
Goodbye.
I can do iCarly by myself.
Good. Have fun doing it. Oh, guess we're not really. Guess we're not friends anymore. Goodbye, Kylie. Hello, Kylie. Hello, Kylie said. You ain't answering me? Hey, get your butt back here. Where do you think you're going?
I